How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the final on my collaboration build with RB Model Works or Robert Bishop. But before we get this video going, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This channel will never ask you for a dime, no support, whatever. Just if I mention anybody in my videos, there will always be a link in the description below, and go check them out. As for my link is always in the description too, as far as Gmail, if you ever need to get a hold of me for something. Alright guys, we're just going to show you the final. Alright, y'all remember me and Robert, we had a collaboration build going on. I mailed him this model kit right here. Y'all remember the 64 Mercury customizing hardtop kit, and he was supposed to decal or paint, decal, clear coat, just maybe a few little modifications, and I was to finish it up. Well, old Robert, he got a little carried away, and thank God he did, because by God, he did get an awesome job. I mean, words can't describe what all he did for me. He really hooked me up. But and I'm thankful that he did. So as the last video, I was gonna do a update video before the final, but he'd done so much, there really wasn't much left for me to do, so I just went ahead and finished it up. And too, at the end of this, I'll have a few pics at the end, so if y'all stick around, there'll be some pictures. But let's just check this thing out. Let's do a little whirly about here. Let you see it on the roundabout before we take it and pick it apart and show you what's going on. Look how awesome that is. I mean, that thing is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, gosh, I could have never done that type of work. I mean, he is amazing. That paint is spectacular. The decals buried in clear. I mean, 2K clear. Look at that. Boy, as old Pappy would say, that's shinier than a diamond in a goat's butt. Oh yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at those decals right there. Man, that's chrome on the decals, I guess, right there. I don't know. That's just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, let's take it off this roundabout and let's dissect what's going on here. Let's move that on out of the way. Alright, as you can see, he stripped and re-chromed all the chrome on this. That chrome he re-stripped. I just painted in here the marker lights, and then I painted the these little windshield cover, or windshield headlight covers. He really deepened the panel lines. He shaved all the molding off of it. Those are 3D printed door handles. I glued them on, but he de-chromed them. He did all the work. These are resin cast tires that he did. He painted them. He decaled them with the Firestone, and yes, it all turns. It sure does. I mean, he did the dash modifications in there. My God, dude. All I had to do was put it together, guys. I mean, it's that simple. You can't see, but there'll be pictures showing the heat shielding in there. The fire extinguisher I got painted. It's just got the kit seat belts. I painted them yellow. It's got his gear shifter that I cut down, put in there. You can't really see with the camera too good. Let's turn it over. That's his headers. He made those headers. I can't remember if he resin cast them or 3D print them. I can't remember. The exhaust tips, he painted the exhaust tips, the headers. I had to paint the rest of it underneath. And that's what we got going on there. And then pop the hood. And that's where this little piece right here comes in. Your air breather thing, and it'll set on there. I just didn't want to glue it on there. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I did not want to cover those carburetors up. That's his, I guess he resin cast those carburetors. They're just absolutely amazing. The only thing I did was paint the intake on it, paint the coil. Let's see, I did a black wash on those chrome valve covers. I did the little detail painting in there and stuff. I wired it all up. And man, that's about it. I mean, Robert just killed this one. He knocked it out of the park, let me tell you. I painted the little straps back there for the back glass. I mean, look at, he did. Look at the gas spout right there. Look at that. I mean, man, I just can't thank him enough. I mean, I sent him a vintage kit or two, and stuff, but man, it just don't seem like enough for what he did for me. My gosh. That's just absolutely gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I'd like to read y'all's comments below what you think about old Robert Bishop. I think he's one of the best NASCAR builders out there. We got some good heavy hitters out there, but man, he's right up there with them. Right up there with them, in my book, my opinion. Look at that. Let's put this back on here so that you can see the breather on it. My gosh. That's stunning, guys. Nothing more I can say about that. I will leave some pictures here, of what little bit maybe I've done to it. But like I said, all the credit goes to Robert. Robert is the man. We love you, Robert. Thank you, brother. Oh my God. Just marvel in that greatness right there. I know I'm just rambling, guys, but gosh dang. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you again, Robert. I can't thank you enough. Man, I'm proudly going to display this over on my bench in a clear case, and that's where she's going to reside. So every time you see my ugly face, you're going to see this model. Thank you very much. Like I said, stick around here, and we're going to do some pictures, and well, that'll be it for one more roundabout. Let's take this off here. And yeah, too, I used the kit clip for the hood. You can see right there. Watch it. Well, I say watch it. There we go. Close that hood up. It rolls. I even put the vintage screws in it, the flathead model screws in it. By God, you ain't gonna be able to tell that ain't the vintage kit without tearing it apart. Alright, thank you, Robert. Alright, stick around for pictures. His description will be in the link below. Get over there and subscribe to him. Man, can't thank him enough. Love you guys. Bye.